Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, May 7th, and this is my analysis for the Euro Yen. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do check out my free Discord group, which is linked over here in the corner at the end of the video. And make sure to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com. Watch the video on my home screen to watch more. So, anyways, the euro yen that is, did make a pretty impulsive move up last night throughout the Asian session. But if you've been following along with my videos, you know that I've been saying this really looks like a potential ABC right here. And if we go all the way up to the daily time frame, it looks like it's making like a double three. One, two, three waves down, one, two, three waves up. That means that you potentially could either make one, two, three waves down for like a WXY or potentially like five waves down for a flat. Either scenario, I think that it needs to go down, probably at least down to these lows or maybe even lower to finish off either a 333 or a 335 corrective pattern. That means that this move down right here is either a wave A or a wave 1, and that we're likely either at a wave B or a wave 2 right now. So if that's true, then most likely this is going to turn out to be some sort of an Elliott wave corrective pattern. Most likely it's going to bounce from a Fibonacci level and likely end up continuing the downtrend, ending a wave B or wave 2, going down for a wave 3 or a wave C. Now, today is U.S. interest rate news, FOMC interest rate news, a very big news event. But it is for the dollar, but the yen pairs definitely do get affected because it's a risk on, risk off currency. I will be live streaming for that news event on YouTube, so make sure to stop in to see my latest analysis before the news on your favorite pairs. So, anyways, as always, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.